Okay, Romeo, we got your RCI-2995DX CF here, truckerized now. You're having Mr. BBI, a good friend of mine, the amp builder, building a 6-pill for you. You need around a 2-watt dead key, and you need as much RMS as possible, average power, close to 200 PEP. So we did just that within a safe range of the radio. Let's start with your RF power all the way down. 100-watt slug. There's your 2 watts. Actually about 1.5 watts. Roll it up. And we'll turn up to 40. Show you average power swing now. Hello, about 82 bird. Peak power, 250 watt slug. Hello, 1, 2. Hello, 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 1, 2. Audio. And about 190 PEP. Alright, this thing's ready to go, man. We've got it loaded out. Power supply upgrade, voltage regulator upgrade, the cap upgrades, good to go. Send it right your way, Romeo, up around Maryland. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.